Hey guys, I know this is really sorrowful, sad material that we're going through in these cases in the child custody system. But you know what's exciting about it? That once there is a landmark case in this whole arena, which I already know there's going to be, you guys, your parents, grandparents are going to be able to sue the crap out of the professionals involved. And this will straighten out the mental health system. This will straighten out the legal system. I mean, the family court will be abolished, I believe, and we'll be rebuilding it from the ground up to preserve the rights and safety and healing of the children. This is all about saving the children and the relationships that they have and their right to have with their parents, with their fit parents. So, and these lawsuits, and I will help you with that when that time comes, are based on the violations against parents and children's violation of the civil and constitutional rights against the children and the parent who's totally exiled, because there's no enforcement of the law in these cases. There's no accurate mental health assessment and DV assessment going on. So you have the fourth, which is the fact that they seize your children through this corrupt family court system. The Eighth Amendment is really in regards to the exorbitant costs and fees that were being charged. I mean, Christina was in her insane child custody massacre for 6 years, almost 6 years, I think she said, over $500,000 with no laws enforced and her kids completely brainwashed against her, even now, still 20 years. And then the 14th Amendment is the equal protection of the laws. Well, when there's no laws enforced, which is what's happening in the child custody system, they're just running ramshod over human beings for this. And that's it. You know, we're done. And so this training that I'm doing is for mental health providers, all the people I've been talking about that work with children and families, and how to properly assess these cases according to best practices of domestic violence, research, theory, and practice, narcissistic abuse, battering dynamics, which it's criminal. And these guys need to have sanctions, they need to be prosecuted, and the laws need to be enforced, and no more lawfare. So I will continue to go through these trainings, but that's just to give you hope that I know there's going to be a landmark case and that we are going to be able to recoup all that we lost and our vindication so our kids are set free. That's the bottom line. Bless you.